Welcome friends, in this video we will solve week 4 programming assignment in Java. So let's study. If you are new to my channel then subscribe and don't forget to share this video. So in week 4 question 1 it is given then problem statement, complete the code statement to execute the following program successfully. You should import the correct package and or class to complete the code. In this problem we have to just write the 2 lines for solving this question. Here we have to just see this program. It is here scanner is present, so we have to use here scanner package also, and then we have to use java.system.lang.out package, because here out.println is used to print this course name. So what you have to do is that then just type import static java.lang.system.out, and another package I have said earlier for scanner you have to use import space java dot util dot scanner s will be bigger. After this I will compile and run this program. See, it is executing. Now we will see this output, it is actually right or not. See here exact output, and it's our output is same. So now I will submit it. After submitting, if it says that it is passed, then it is correct. See here, this is passed. So I will go to the question number 2. In question 2 we have said we have to do the complete the code segment to print the current year. Your code should compile successfully. So note, in this program you are not allowed to use any import statement because it is already imported. So we have to do these 3 operation. It is just only for the 3-line code. So what you have to do, it is said that you should use, it means we should use the predefined class calendar defined in java.util package. Then I want to create this. So let's see what is written here, current year plus year. So now I want to write this here, create an object of calendar. So I want to create an object which is the type of calendar, then java.util dot calendar, suppose cal. I want to give its name as it is cal. Now I will give the current, then cal will be equals to java.util dot calendar dot get instance. Now for this is the second line, I have said that use the get instance method to initialize the current calendar object. Now I have created this cal, it is a calendar object, then cal equals to java.util dot calendar dot get instance. Now we have to do initialize the int variable year with the current year. So we have to write year equals to current year. So I have used the cal, then cal dot get java.util dot calendar dot year. Now I will run it. Okay, I have just made a mistake. Its calendar will be calendar. Then I will run this code, run and compile. After completing I will submit this code. Okay, see the expected output and our actual output is same. Then status is first, then now I will submit it. Okay, wait, after see that Here the test case is passed, it means your code is correct. Now I will go to week 3. 3 question is the third number question problem. The program in this assignment is attempt to print the following output. Output should be this is large, medium, small and extra large. However, the code is initially with some bugs. Debug the code to execute the program. Here previously some code is written. Now I will just clear all this. You just read it carefully. I have read it. I will clear and I will write this code. Interface extra large will be, and then string extra equals to this is extra large, and after the public void display, and then we will write class name large, then public void print now we have to write the system.out.println for the printing purpose. This is system, this is large, and system.out.println this is large, and for medium then it class medium extend large. Then what you have to do, public void print super dot print, and then system dot out dot println this is medium, and for small it will extend also medium, then what happen, then public you have to write public void print, and then in the print we have to write super, and then this is small because this is the class of small. Now we have to create what, we have to create the class which is the name for question 43, and then implements extra large, now we have to use display function. In the display we have to print it, system dot out dot print is extra, and after that we have to create main function, public static void main, and its parameter will be string. You can write args or anything else what you want to write, then small equals to new small, small equals to small s equals to new small, then s dot print, because you have to print it, print, then question 43 will be q, suppose t equals to new question 43, then after that just display it, t dot display. Just watch this code carefully, pause the video and just write this code, and after that I will compile and run it. After compile and run, we will see the output, the expected output and our output is same, and it says that it is passed. Now I will submit it. After submitting, it will see that it is passed. Okay, now we have done question 3. Now I will go question 4. This question is complete the code segment to call the default method in the interface first and second. Just read this. It is interface the first and second, and it is the implementation of class code, and after that we have to create this two line. We have to create it for call show for the first interface and call show of the second interface, and then it will show here. So now I will write this code, then first dot super, because you have to use super, and then second dot show. After that I will run it. Just click compile and run. It will show this it is correct or not. After that you see here the expected output and our output is actually the same. Now I will compile will submit it. After submit, see it will passed or not. See, it is passed, means it is correct. See, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and don't forget to share this video, and also please like it. And I will show you a Discord server where you just put your problem or any doubt, you will get solution from others member, those are also present in this server. In question 5 we have said that modified the code segment to print the following output. Output will be circle this shape 1, and then after next line this circle, this is the shape 2. Now this only the main class is given, then only main class it is said that circle, and then we have to display it. And I have created this shape x, and after shape x it is said that this is the this string is this is shape 1, and as the shape, then we have displayed it. We call this display function. Then at the same way we have created this shape y. Then after that we have created shape g, which will implement shape y. And after that we have override the method in shape x interface. Just write this code and it will see that this I will run and compile and run. After compile and running, it will says that it is passed, and now I will submit it. After submitting, you will see that it is passed. So you see all the assignments will be done successfully. So has been done successfully. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and don't forget to share video. And all I have said earlier that it is a Discord server where you will just for anything, for C, C++, Java, Python, whatever, just put your question and you will get answer immediately. So I will give this invitation link in this video's description. So see you next video. Then only main class it is said that circle, and then we have to display it. And I have created this shape x, and after shape x it is said that this is the this string is this is shape 1, and as the shape, then we have displayed it. we call this display function. Then at the same way we have created this shape y. Then after that we have created shape g, which will implement shape y. And after that we have override the method in shape x interface. Just write this code and it will see that in this I will run and compile and run. After compile and running, it will says that it is passed, and now I will submit it. After submitting, you will see that it is passed. So you see all the assignments will be done successfully. So has been done successfully. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe and don't forget to share video. And all I have said earlier that it is a Discord server where you will just for anything, for C, C++, Java, Python, whatever, just put your question and you will get answer immediately. So I will give this invitation link in this video's description. So see you next video.